Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use check constraint. With check constraint, we check for a specific value while inserting the data. So if the check fails, then constraint violation will get raised and insertion will not be allowed. For example, if a database column can have only 5 numbers, say 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, then this can be checked with the check constraint. If a user tries to insert a value, say for example 5, then constraint violation takes place. Why? Because check constraint is checking for the value 1, 4, 6, 7 or 8. Now we will set check constraint for experience field. So our employee table has the exp field, right? We will add a check constraint for this field. Now let's go to the demo. So under database, here is the database. So we want to create check constraint for the experience column of the tables, employee table. So I'm expanding the table. Here I'm choosing new constraint. So do not worry about this. Let's change the employee as exp. So that's the constraint name, and expression. Experience should be greater than 0 and experience should be less than 51. So both the conditions should meet to allow the data insertion. So the constraint name is CKEXP, and the expression, if you see, the expression involves the table column. Here column is exp, and for other condition also we are using the exp column from the employee table. All right, now we will click close here and save the employee table. Then we can close here as well. Refresh the constraint. Now we will check the constraint by inserting some sample row. Let's execute this. And you can see the constraint violation. The insert statement conflicted with the check constraint CKEXP. The conflict occurred in database CE2. Table is test employee and column is exp. So here it clearly states that check constraint conflicted, and the constraint name also the error message given. When you try to make a select statement, and you can see that the insert is failed and data is not inserted because of the check constraint violation. Now we will put something valid, and if you execute, this time the insert will be allowed. Right. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.